Oftentimes, a fire alarm system is utilized to have supervision of a sprinkler system. Let's take 2 minutes to talk about dry pipe sprinkler systems and supervision of those systems. So, a dry pipe sprinkler system will be utilized in a building that has areas that are subject to freezing. You don't want to have water in the pipe, so using a dry pipe system would be a better alternative. The system is going to be supervised for water flow as well as air pressure. With these things, we are going to have our connections to the fire alarm through the valve itself. So, in a dry pipe sprinkler system in normal condition, there's air in the sprinkler piping. There's going to be water below the valve. The air pressure that is above the valve is going to be able to hold back the water pressure. Now, in the event that there is a loss of air pressure, this is going to cause a supervisory signal to be sent back to the panel. Oftentimes, there'll be a leak in the piping, or it could be activation of the sprinkler system itself that will start the process with that supervisory signal. If there is a 10 psi change to the system itself, that is going to activate that supervisory signal. However, the water flow alarm will be activated through water pressure. Water pressure is going to be what activates the actual alarm. It's going to trigger once we have activation of the valve itself. We don't use a paddle switch for a dry pipe system. We're going to utilize a air pressure switch that is also a water flow alarm. When it comes to dry testing, don't test something that you don't know. You have to have knowledge of the system in order to have a good familiarity with it and how to test. We do not want to put water in the piping as there may be areas prone to freezing. So with a dry pipe system, we are going to utilize the alarm bypass connection to do the alarm test itself.